First, that's the ER. From the ER, the things are formed, whether it's a lipid or protein. If protein, RER involved. If lipid, SER involved. Then in the form of the vesicles, it moves towards the Golgi body. Next, Golgi body has two phase, cis and trans. Cis phase towards the ER or nucleus, trans towards the plasma membrane. Cis has convex surface, convex end. Then next, that's the trans phase of Golgi body, which has a concave end. Next, this one, cis phase that we call receiving site. So trans we call releasing site. Now it will release. The mature things are released that from the trans phase. Next one, that remember structure of this Golgi body in that stack pile arrangement. Stack pile meaning what? One above the other. Coins अगर हम रखते ना one above the other, same way, one above the other. So stack pile arrangement of 4 to 8 cistern. This all are known as a cistern. Flat disc-like structure we call cistern, same like a ear. So this 4 to 8 cistern, flat disc-shaped structure that forms the Golgi body. Their diameter, remember, 0.5 micrometer to 1 micrometer. Their diameter is 0.5 to 1 micrometer. Next, they are also known as okay, their ends. See, आप ends देखो. So ends have round or oblong vesicles at outer end. Round or oblong vesicles like structures on their outer ends. This is the structure of Golgi body. बोलो clear है Golgi body? What is Golgi body? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this Golgi body, when present in a cell, then the name given dictyosome. Remember, given in your notes, Golgi body present in plant cell we call dictyosome. Golgi body, just name given different. Dictyosome. Next, structure learn किया. One thing now that we are going to learn that discovery of this Golgi body. So Golgi body, first of all, discovered by scientist Camillo Golgi. On the to give the honor of the scientist Golgi, the name given to this body, that's the Golgi body. In 1898, he observed a nerve cell, neuron of owl, nerve cell of owl, bird, right? So nerve cell, इसके अंदर भी nucleus है. So near the nucleus, he observed in the nerve cell that one structure is present, and this thing actually उसने क्या किया, nerve cell लिया और उसको AgNO3 सिल्वर नाइट्रेट, AgNO3 सिल्वर नाइट्रेट से उसने उसको स्टेन कर दिया पूरे सेल को. Then he observed under the microscope. So at that time he observed this towards the nucleus, near the nucleus, one structure is present which is network like, which is reticular structure, same like a ear, which is a reticular structure near the nucleus. So that we call, that the name given Golgi body. That the name given is which one? Golgi body. Remember, he observed the nerve cell of owl, right? And he used the stain AgNO3, silver nitrate. Now the functions of Golgi body. So functions of Golgi body in that see, whatever the protein or the SER, that's the lipids that move towards this Golgi body. So Golgi body prepare them, Golgi body mature them. So packaging and delivering material. Packaging करता है, pack करता है, meaning pack meaning what? Mature things are packed. Suppose this is the end proteins. So mature things are packed by a with a membrane structure. So packaging and delivering materials too. फिर उसको release भी करता है, right? Next, one thing, either the release material, either it is required by cell or not required by cell. So if required by cell, it reach to their target, it reach to their target cells नहीं, it reach to the targets. Target, suppose ये hormone है, right? Hormone है तो कोई particular cell organelle है that required this hormone, or suppose enzyme है, so this enzyme are there, okay? Proteins है basically enzyme in nature, so वो उसका role perform करेंगे particular at their location only. So they reach to their targets and perform their function within the cell only. And if these materials are not required by the cell, this material released outside the cell. This material secreted outside the cell. Where this, see, outside the cell, the requirement is there. Depending on the requirement, cell form the things. Remember. So first thing, that's the packaging. Second, delivering. First, if materials required within the cell, so it reach to the within the cell, okay, intercellular targets or secretion outside the cell. Next thing, that see, like hormones की अगर बात करें हम, hormones का ये बेसिक नेचर है, फॉर्म कहीं पे होता है, फॉर्म सपोज ए साइड पे है तो वो फंक्शन उसका बी साइड पे दिखाएगा. Formation, site of formation is A, site of function is B. So in between them, A से release form हुआ, so वो blood में आ जाता है. So outside the cell आया ये, फिर blood से वो जो उसका target site है वहां पे चला जाता है and perform the function. ये जो है आप that you know thyroid hormones are secreted by our pituitary gland, which is located in brain. Brain कहाँ, thyroid gland neck पे है, right? So thyroid hormone brain से blood, see, pituitary gland form this hormone. So cell में ये hormone form हुआ, but pituitary gland को वो required नहीं है, thyroid stimulating hormone. वो required कौन से gland को है? Required to the thyroid gland. So cell से बाहर निकल गया, TSH form हुआ pituitary में, but if not required, it's secreted outside. Next, reach to their target by flowing into the blood and perform their function. बोलो, ये clear है आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now the next. So first the intercellular targets and secretion outside the cell. Then next, vesicles which are arise from the ER. ER में से ये vesicles के form में आते हैं, that fuse at the C space and gradually it move towards the trans phase. Now the most important line for the this Golgi body, it helps in glycosidation. It helps in glycosidation, meaning it forms glycoproteins and glycolipids. Can anyone tell me what is glyco over here? Glyco word refers for what? बोलो कीर्तन।
मैम ग्लाइकोजन,
ग्लाइकोजन बेसिकली क्या है? प्रोटीन,
ग्लूकोज,
लिपिड, कार्बोहाइड्रेट। ग्लूकोज नहीं।
कार्बोहाइड्रेट।
Basic molecule is which one? Carbohydrate. So protein plus carbohydrate, lipid plus carbohydrate. So specialized sugars होते हैं, okay, not only glycogen. Glycogen तो stored food है. Specialized sugars are there. That sugars binds to the protein. That sugars binds to the lipid, and that form glycoproteins and glycolipids. That phenomenon we call glycosidation. That we call the glycosidation. So जब ये proteins हो या lipids cis to trans phase में vesicle के form में move होते हैं, so in between them this process occur. Sugars molecules attach with the protein, sugars molecule attach with the lipid, and glycosidation process done. So जो at the end released होगा वो either glycoprotein form होगा और glycolipids form. Okay. Next, so it synthesizes the glycolipids and glycoproteins. Next function of Golgi body, that structure of acrosome of sperm, human male sperm. In that, see the head region. In the head region, here the long, large oblong nucleus is present, and just above the nucleus, one cap-like structure is present. This part we call acrosome. This acrosome initially, see, cell है ये न्यूक्लियस है, उसमें लार्ज पोर्शन कवर्ड बाय द न्यूक्लियस. इसमें जो गोल्जी बॉडीज है वो गोल्जी बॉडीज यहाँ पे एक्यूमुलेट, यहाँ पे आता है, नियर द न्यूक्लियस ही है. दिस गोल्जी बॉडी ग्रेजुअली कन्वर्ट इनटू एक्रोसोम. कैसे होता है? नो नीड टू रिमेम्बर, जस्ट रिमेम्बर दिस लाइन. गोल्जी बॉडी कन्वर्ट्स इनटू एक्रोसोम. बोलो, क्लियर है? This much
Yes, ma'am.
information is enough for you for Golgi body. See, Golgi body, one more diagram. Right? Cis phase, trans phase. इसमें भी यहाँ पे ऐसे आना चाहिए. See, gradually यहाँ पे vesicles form होंगे. See, so many birds like structure, vesicles are arise. Right? Next. Now the next thing, which is little bit complicated. See, over here nucleus is present, then ER, then if RER vesicles containing proteins move towards that C, Golgi body. Same over here, if SER is there, lipid containing vesicles move towards the Golgi body. Then one by one it moves from one cistern to next cistern of Golgi body, and at the end this vesicles released, right? In between glycosidation process occur in this Golgi body. So this one Golgi body releases the vesicle in which either proteins are there or lipids are there, right? The vesicle which is released by the Golgi body, or the proteins, either glycoprotein or glycolipids are formed, which are enclosed in a membrane, and these things are released by Golgi body. So now this structure we call lysosome. This structure we called lysosome. Remember. Bolo, clear hai? Lysosome, can we say that lysosome arise from the Golgi body? Yes or no? Lysosomes arise from the Golgi body. Golgi body से जो vesicles form हुए, this vesicles contains the mature molecules, either proteins or lipids. That structure, which are with these proteins, mature lipids or proteins, bounded by a unit membrane, bounded by a unit membrane or single membrane. See, whenever I told you unit membrane meaning what over here? Cell membrane. Unit membrane meaning what? Cell membrane. Remember Robertson का था unit membrane model, right? So that we call basically cell membrane. So single cell membrane. Can you tell me? So इसमें lipid bilayer कितने होंगे? How many lipid bilayer in one cell membrane? Can anyone tell me how many lipid bilayer in one cell membrane?
Ma'am, 1.
Okay. किसी और को कोई आंसर देना है?
Ma'am, 2.
Very good, Maitri. 1 is the correct answer. Lipid bilayer. Remember? ये 1 layer, ये 2 layer. So in one cell membrane, ये entire cell membrane हो गया. In one cell membrane, how many bilayer? 1. How many monolayer? 2. Do you get my point?
Yes,
My-
ma'am.
चलो. Now this vesicles we call lysosome. So अभी next organelle है, that's the lysosome. Lysosome organelles, they are discovered by Christine D. Dewey. Christine D. Dewey discovered lysosome cell organelle. This cell organelle, it's a single membrane bound. It's a single membrane bound structure which is arise from the Golgi body. Composition of this lysosome. So this lysosome contains hydrolytic enzymes. This lysosome contains hydrolytic enzymes. See, this is the lysosome. Can you able to see one monolayer of lipid, this one chain? Clear hai? Now
Yes, ma'am.
inside this over here, lysosome, hydrolytic enzymes are present. Hydrolytic enzyme. Lysis का meaning, see lysosome, first of all, lysosome का meaning होता है, lyso का meaning होता है breakdown, lysis. Soma का meaning होता है body, the body which required to break down the molecules. Enzymes जो होता है वो catalytic में help करते हैं. So lysosomes contains hydrolytic enzymes. Lysosomes contains hydrolytic enzyme. This hydrolytic enzymes meaning hydro meaning water. So one of the example, maybe आपने ये सुना हो maltase. Maltase एक एंजाइम है जो माल्टोज शुगर होता है, माल्टोज डाइसैकेराइड, ऐसे दो शुगर मॉलिक्यूल को ज्वाइन कर दो तो वो माल्टोज बन जाता है. इंडिविजुअली ग्लूकोज, when two glucose join we call maltose. So this maltose plus उसके अंदर water add कर दो, an enzyme maltase is required. So it converts into glucose plus glucose. ये इन दोनों के बीच में जो bond है वो break हो जाएगा. So again they individually become glucose. But for that water is required, maltase enzyme is required, right? So with the help of water, complex molecule is break down. This one is 2, convert into simple glucose. So wherever required, if water is required for the breakdown, That type of enzymes we call hydrolytic enzymes. Commonly, this hydrolytic enzymes category we call lipase, protease, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स जैसे अभी हमने ग्लूकोज के बारे में बात किया माल्टोज 2 मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ माल्टोज एंजाइम था माल्टेस शुगर के लिए है सो वो टाइप ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स वैसे ही सुक्रोज के लिए होता है सुक्रेज वो भी कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स जैसे आप पेप्सिन ट्रिप्सिन एंजाइम्स है तो वो प्रोटीएज है राइट सो लाइक दिस एग्जांपल्स आर देयर in general we call lipase protease and carbohydrates. This enzyme works at acidic pH, high acidic pH that range 4 to 5. You know the scale for the pH, right? 0 to 7 for which one? Acidic or alkaline?
Acidic.
Acidic.
Okay. So when we move towards the 7 more acidic pH or when we move towards the 0 then more acidic pH?
When
Ma'am,
we
when we
move
move
to
from
zero,
zero,
it is more acidic.
more
Huh.
acidic.
This condition is more acidic, right? And this one for alkaline, S7 actually for the neutral. So 4 to 5, just imagine, it's a high acidic condition. These enzymes only and only work in high acidic condition. Optimally active, which are enclosed in lysosome. Which are enclosed in which one? Lysosome. Remember. Now, so lysosome discovery, remember Christian D. Dewey. It's a single membrane bound structure arise from the or budding from the Golgi body. Contains hydrolytic enzymes. This enzyme optimally means maximally active at acidic pH range 4 to 5 pH. Commonly we call this enzyme lipase, protease and carbohydrates. Next one, function of lysosome. Function of lysosome in that first one, it helps in phagocytosis and pinocytosis. Phagocytosis and pinocytosis. Now, first understand what is phagocytosis and what is pinocytosis. इसके लिए आपको वो अमीबा डाइजेशन इन अमीबा जो 10th स्टैंडर्ड में आई थिंक है वो आपको आना चाहिए सी ये सेल मेम्ब्रेन है राइट नेक्स्ट थिंग outside the cell if any hard larger substance or the solid food particle is there or else if outside the cell liquid particles are solutes are there अभी दोनों को सेल के अंदर तो लेना ही पड़ेगा so for that just different processes there if solid food is available then this plasma membrane form a extended this plasma membrane extended and form a pseudopodia like structure and gradually it engulf this food particle into the cell. Same over here for liquid. Here vesicles like depressions like structures are formed inside that this vesicle this fluid is filled and then it will engulf inside the cell. So for one, remember, for one, here the pseudopodia like structure extend. Here vesicles like structures form. So this structure which is extended that we call phagosome. That we call phagosome. In simple term, remember, solid food digestion, solid food intake inside the cell, solid food intake inside the cell, we called phagocytosis. Right? See over here like bacteria hai. So as a pseudopodia cell membrane ne extend kiya, now engulf inside that. So now the structure we call phagosome. Now the structure we call phagosome. Now understand the role of this lysosome. Lysosome, right? Lysosome. So lysosome के अंदर तो सारे enzymes हैं. Lysosomes have different enzyme. In that case, this lysosome, जैसे ये vesicles enter हुआ, phagosome enter हुआ inside the cell, lysosome जाके इसके साथ bind हो जाता है. Lysosome and now this phagosome becomes a one structure. इसके अंदर बैक्टीरिया है. अभी लाइसोसोम क्या करेगा? रिलीज करेगा कंटेंट. Lysosome release it contains that enzymes and everything which helps in digestion of macromolecules. जो complex substances है उसको simple में convert कर देता है, right? So that we call phagolysosome, meaning phagosome जो solid food है, plus it might be bacteria, it might be the another food particle is there. Always bacteria ऐसा नहीं. Solid food इतना याद रखो. It might be different. So solid food जो inside है cell में phagosome, उसके साथ lysosome bind हो जाएगा in which the enzyme content is there, right? And release their enzyme over here. Then it digests the things which is enter into the cell, that's the solid food. And if these things are required, it released into the cell and the undigested part release outside the cell. Undigested part of that thing is released outside the cell. That we call phagocytosis. बोलो clear है phagocytosis? Anyone want repetition of phagocytosis? Tell me.
Can you just say the name of
Hmm.
the? And you didn't say Pseudopodia like and the bacterium. उसके बाद
This one? ये?
हाँ उसके बाद
It's a pseudopodia-like structure. It's just a pseudopodia-like structure of cell membrane, nothing else. वो extend होता है and gradually covered it and take it inside. Clear? Now, so ER जो है, ER का एक रोल ये है, right? Same way you can imagine that anything that's a liquid content is coming inside the cell. So वो हो जाएगा pinosome. Phagosome की जगह पे हम उसको क्या बोलेंगे? Pinosome. ये जो है phagosome ये बन जाएगा pinosome if liquid content is there. Liquid food containing vesicle we call pinosome. Next, so उसके साथ भी जाके lysosome bind हो जाएगा, फिर उसका रोल करे release their secretion, right? And the undigested food that release outside, undigested thing release outside the cell. Outside the cell release करते, that process we call exocytosis. Cell से उसको exit मिल गई, that we call exocytosis, right? And जो enter होता है food, that we call endocytosis. Whether in the form of solid or liquid, we call endocytosis. So this phagocytosis and pinocytosis are two types of endocytosis. बोलो ये cytosis clear हुआ? Endocytosis, exocytosis, pinocytosis, phagocytosis. Exocytosis very easy. Exit, release outside the cell. Pinocytosis, liquid form में intake करना. Phagocytosis, intake the food in the form of solid. Endocytosis means intake the food inside the cell either in the form of solid or liquid. Understood, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next. So the vesicles which are released, see first just imagine how long process. First ER से आया, then Golgi में उसका process हुआ, lysosome में bind हुआ, pack हुआ, lysosome form में आया, and this lysosome, okay, कोई suppose कोई for solid food enter हो रहा है, so it will go and bind with this one and perform their role. Next thing that in this diagram the same concept, see nucleus के साथ you can see the ER, right? ये mainly protein के लिए है तो rough ER ही है इसमें. Then see protein containing vesicles arise from the ER going to the cis phase, then trans phase. See move हो रहा है one by one, it reached to the trans phase and यहाँ से वो release हो गया. This one we call now lysosome. The vesicle now which is released from the Golgi we call the lysosome. This lysosome that binds to the food which enter either from phagolysosome or pinolysosome. Okay. Now next thing, so it helps in phagocytosis and pinocytosis. Lysosome का एक role और भी है, that lysosomes are known as suicidal sac. Lysosomes are known as suicidal sac. Why? So अगर कभी भी if any infection is there to the cell, one is an infection condition, second physical damage to the cell if cells are damaged, and third cells completed its age हो रहा है, senescence phase is there, aging is there in cell. So at that time cell must be undergoing degradation. Cell must be undergoing degradation. Meaning what over here? And that degraded material actually helpful to form the new cells. आपको पता है wound जब होता है, कट होता है कहीं पे, फिर wound healing gradually start होता है तो blackish color का scar formation start हो जाता है. उसके नीचे एक new layer skin होता है, अगर वो हम remove करते हैं तो.
Yes, ma'am.
तो वो ब्लैकिश कलर के सेल्स क्या है, वो डेड है, इंजर्ड सेल्स है, फिजिकली डैमेज सेल्स है. अभी डैमेज सेल्स डैमेज है, उसमें फिर कोई ऑर्गेनल कुछ हो, वेस्ट है. तो लाइसोसोम वहां पे क्या करता है, लाइसोसोम एट दैट टाइम वो एक स्टिम्युलस पॉइंट होता है. व्हेन सेल डैमेज और एजिंग इज देयर, इन्फेक्शन इज देयर, इट्स अ स्टिम्युलस पॉइंट, ट्रिगर पॉइंट. लाइसोसोम इटसेल्फ बर्स्ट, lysosome itself burst and release their content. तो इससे क्या होगा, फिर सेल के अंदर जितने भी मॉलिक्यूल्स है, जितने भी सेल ऑर्गेनल्स, ऑल सेल ऑर्गेनल्स आर मेड अप ऑफ दिस मैक्रोमोलिक्यूल्स. सेल मेम्ब्रेन हो या एनी अदर ऑर्गेनल्स, मॉलिक्यूल्स है, वो सबको डाइजेस्ट करना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. सो ग्रेजुअली this complex thing, that cell organelles and everything in the cell, that convert into debris. These are actually molecules. These molecules helps in formation of the new cells. Giving you one example, simple. Old building है अगर उसके damage हो गया, right, which is not suitable for living now. So उसको डिस्ट्रक्ट कर दो, डिग्रेड कर दो. वो बिल्डिंग को डिग्रेड करते, बट उसमें जो वुड है, ब्रिक्स है, जो थिंग्स रीयूजेबल हो सकती है, दैट कैन रीयूज फॉर मेकिंग न्यू बिल्डिंग्स. यस और नो?
No, ma'am.
अगर कुछ गुड थिंग्स है, ब्रिक्स एंड वुड, अभी वुड्स इतने होते नहीं है, डोर्स है, राइट, सो दैट कैन बी रीयूज और नॉट रीयूज.
हाँ, गुड क्वालिटी के हो तो यूज, लेकिन आपने बोला ना
गुड
कि
क्वालिटी,
हाँ,
wood,
मुझे
wood.
लगा कि बैड क्वालिटी की बात कर रहे हो,
नहीं,
इसलिए मैंने
no,
नो
no.
बोला.
क्वालिटी नहीं, जस्ट वुड है, आप क्वालिटी जाने दो. जस्ट इमेजिन दैट वुड एंड ब्रिक्स आर देयर, ओके, अदर थिंग्स घर के अंदर फिर वो फैन है, लाइट्स, दैट थिंग कैन बी यूटिलाइज, राइट? So same thing over here, when aging is there, if cell is damaged or infection occur in cell, so at that time this lysosome burst, suicide कर देता है cell का. That's why the name we call suicidal sac. वो cell को digest कर देता है, पूरे cell को digest कर देता है, degrade कर देता है. बोलो, understood why we call this
Yes.
lysosome as suicidal sac? Anyone want repetition? Arpita, Sakshi, बोलो.
No,
Ayushi,
ma'am. No, ma'am.
okay. Jaimin, understood? Jaimin,
No, ma'am.
chalo. Next. Now the last part of the endomembrane system, that vacuoles. See, ये proteins form हो गया, hormones form हो गया, everything. No doubt, vacuoles जो है, okay, larger vacuoles that are present in plant cell only. Larger vacuoles are present in plant cells only. In animals, not a larger, but small vacuoles are present in some of the organism. But large vacuoles only and only in plant cell, large plus small. So, यहाँ पे भी देखो, ये न्यूक्लियस है, फिर न्यूक्लियस के पास ये ER and Golgi body सब स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे. Everything is formed. Vacuole का मेन रोल क्या है over here into the cell? That, see, vacuole, again, it is enclosed by a membrane, single unit membrane, meaning what? Same, simple bilayer lipid membrane is there. This membrane, this unit membrane of vacuole we call tonoplast. उसको special name दिया है, that's the which one? Tonoplast. So single membrane bound space in the cytoplasm, single membrane bound space in the cytoplasm, that we call vacuole. See over here, ये plant cell है, and this is the vacuole. Can we say that 90% of the cell space is occupied by vacuole? 90% of the
Yes.
cell space is occupied by the
Yes,
which one?
ma'am.
Vacuole. It's a larger one. See, very small area is remaining. उसमें ये सारे organelles है और इतना सारा function करते हैं. Just imagine the cell. Cell already is a microscopic structure, right? No. So vacuole, single membrane bound structure. That membrane we call tonoplast. This membrane is selectively permeable membrane, same like a plasma membrane as we have discussed. ये भी plasma membrane ही है, just name given different, tonoplast, selectively permeable membrane. Now next, ये membrane जो selectively permeable membrane है, remember I have explained uphill transport. Can anyone explain